of course, I too love yard sales. But sometimes people don't put up signs saying this is a yard sale. They don't put commercials on, so people don't know if it's a yard sale. And the one option is that in the morning you can go drive around the city trying to find yard sales, and you see a lot of cars there, a lot of people there, and some stuff put out. You assume that it's a yard sale. And one time my mom saw all of that, so she assumed it was a yard sale. And she was walking confidently, and she brought me too. But when we got there, we figured out that it wasn't a yard sale. It was a birthday party. And we were just standing there so embarrassed. This is where my unique thought comes into play. How about on Google Maps, it can share with you that there's a yard sale going on right here, and there's a birthday party going on right here. And if Google Maps ever says that there's a yard sale here, but then you go and it becomes a birthday party, you can easily type in Google Maps, share with it that this was a birthday party, not a yard sale, so then Google Maps will know. And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So